energy one more time!
Okay, tired? No? Yeah?
Wow.
What did energy do?
Lollapalooza, I really, really love your energy. Thank you so much for that. Well, you've seen one side of FB19, right? Doing all the hard choreographies, like singing while dancing, but now, we want to show you the other side of FB19. Yeah. Now, this time around, let's take things slow. Let's slow down for a little bit. For this next set. For this next set of songs. Bro, I just want to appreciate y'all. I just want to appreciate everyone who's sticking with us right now even though it's hot. Thank you so much. I can barely actually open my eyes. But, you know, you guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing. Yeah. Well, next song, we hope you feel it. Wherever you're from, or wherever you're watching from around the world, we hope these songs remind you of the people who feel like home. Even if you don't speak Filipino, we hope you feel every word. This is Mapa.
Tayo lagi nakikita, miss na kita sa mata. Lagi na lang kami nauna, ngayon naman ikaw na muna, aking napangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y
때론
찬아, 사랑해.
봄이라 믿은 순간 불현듯 겨울이 들이닥친다.
7년이야.